Hi! Ito kami ngayon, Marla. Coffee muna. So, ito yung order namin. 3 toast, tapos butterscotch for me, and sea salt for daddy. Butterscotch. Sarap.
Hey guys, it's me, Jamie, and welcome again to my channel. And for today's vlog, nandito tayo ulit sa Bellevue, Manila kasi we are celebrating Mama and Papa's wedding anniversary. So, dito tayo magsistay for 3 days and 2 nights. Ayan. So, ngayon, room tour tayo. Mabilis ang room tour lang. And then, baka kumain kami later. So, let's go! Okay, mabilis ang room tour tayo, guys. So, ito yung ating door. Ayan. And then, here is yung ating closet na meron silang plancha and yung kabayo. Ayan. Ayan. And then, big mirror here. Ayan. Hello. And namin yung mga gamit. So, pwede kayo maglagay dyan. And then, meron din dito another closet area. Tapos, meron tayong mga robes, blowers, and then yung safe box. And then, nandito yung mga slippers. And then, ito yung ating CR. Yan. So, meron tayong mirror dito. Yan. We have dental kit, shaving kit, sanitary bag, vanity kit, and shower cap. We have glass here, soap, body lotion, towels, and we have a bathtub. Ito yung ating toilet. And then yung ating shower area. Here is yung ating coffee station. Meron tayong kettle, we have tea, coffee, and then meron tayong bottled water. Then here, meron tayong office table. And then itong bed natin is we have 1 king and 1 queen bed. Then view. Wow!
Wag mo ko favorite ko.
Opo, kanila mama to. Wow!
May cake ko.
Ang ganda. Meron na kalagay.
Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary! Oh, ano magbili sa ito mama and papa?
Happy birthday.
Anniversary.
Happy anniversary!
Happy birthday.
Mama and papa.
Mama.
Mama and papa.
Thank you, thank you.
Give your gift. Wow!
Thank you, thank you, thank you, Mamu. Thank you, Martha. Thank you, Ma'am.
Say hi. Hi, Aliyah. What are you drinking?
What?
Water. Where's your book? Oh, here, oh. Want this one?
No.
Ribbons. Want ribbons?
No.
You don't like ribbons? Here, oh. It's Kuromi. Oopsie. You want some?
No.
Ninang will buy you.
No.
Oh, okay. What do you want?
What's that?
This one? I don't know. Earrings. It's for grown-ups na eh.
Because
Come here. Hold on to Ninang.
init.
Init.
Tagat?
Tagal. Come here, let's go! Huy, huy, huy. Oh, look for 1627.
1627.
Yes.
I think my room is different.
Oh, where's 1627?
There?
There! Knock, knock!
Knock, knock!
Knock, knock!
Where's the card?
Knock, knock!
Hello!
Lakas ba? Uy, inside!
Hello! I miss you!
Okay, punta na tayong playroom! Excited na yung mga bata, oh. Let's go! Wow, what's that?
It's a biscuit. From Hong Kong pa yan.
Say thank you.
I want playroom.
Okay, let's go. So, we have mango juice, and
mango juice.
this one's yours, this one's Aliyah.
Kami straw. Kami straw.
I was down in a town in LA, trying to override what I couldn't erase. But you always come back, you know, it comes natural. Must be something I could do, now say your name. 'Cause I only miss you when you are gone. How do I move on? I always tell myself it's time for someone new. When I see your face again, oh no, I see your face again. I saw a silhouette and wish that it was you.
Ayan, so nag-order kami ng nachos. And then, yung favorite ni Kuya na mozzarella sticks. Ayan.
Well, look na to. Wow, naka-kickboard. Kick, ikaw, kick. Pajak, pajak, pajak. Ay, galing naman. Whee! Tuwa din siya. Oh, oh, sabi niya, oh, 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 oh. Galing ah.
Aling! Ni Mate!
Very fast.
Ate, oh.
Bagal.
Bro, pajak na siya. Yun, oh. Pinapajak niya pa niya.
Hello!
What?
Medyo ka dito.
Ngek!
Talas na.
Cover your ears! Cover! Umauwi siya ngayon kasi hindi daw siya nag-swimming ng pansuri. tomorrow ulit.
Kakain tayo yung dinner. Yung ligo. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, careful! Happy anniversary! Mama and Papa! Thank you, mga anak! Mga apo!
Six.
6!
Six.
5!
Five.
4! Lo. Hey guys! Kakabalik lang namin ngayon dito sa room. Kakatapos lang nag-swimming nitong bebe na ito. Kaya pinaliguan ko na. Tapos si Kuya Mav ay nasa baba pa kasama ang kanyang daddy. So, waiting na lang kami. Tapos mamaya magdi-dinner kami sa Anakazu. Say hi guys!
There, guys.
Hi guys!
Cute.
Oh no! Say hi guys!
There, guys.
Say please
Fish.
subscribe.
Oh. Fish. Ara. H. D. U. V. L. X. 1.
Z! Say Z!
D.
Very good. Okay, dinner time na tayo. So, baba na tayo sa Anakazu.
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wonder what that lover. You give me feels when you do, no one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer, you're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels when you do, no one can do it like you.
Kuya, no running ha. Lalabas tayo. Hello, Panda! Tapos, drinks.
Ano yun, ma?
Ay, bagulog yan! Naglagay ng bagong sa...
Pwede, saan may grupo?
Pabalik na kami sa aming hotel from Lawson. Bumili lang kami ng mga anik-anik, mga pagkain, soft drinks, si Matmat na grocery. Ayan, so akit na kami ulit. So ito na pamili natin, fresh milk, Pringles, tapos Presto, tapos meron tayong yan. Tapos, itong strawberry guinggay. Tapos, ito meron pa palang ganito, toffee lock, tsaka itong safari. Try natin. Tapos, ito si Matt kumuha, M&M's. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Show them, Leah, what are you eating? Show the camera.
Open.
What's that?
Open ka, masakit.
So yummy!
So, yeah. Mati, pingin!
What is like that? Oh, let's
Cute,
this
cute.
like this.
Smile! Smile! Show your teeth!
Waki, Mat. Mat, waki. Waki. Ano waki?
Left, left. Look, Aria. Right, left.
Baliktad, kuya.
Left, right. Whoa. Whoa.
Hey guys!
Hello!
Sleeping time na! Nakapag-pajama na ang mga bebes. Show your sugat. Sugat si kuya. Good night! Say good morning. Good morning!
Hide.
Good morning! Pababa na kami. Pupunta kami sa kabilang tower for the breakfast.
Mama, kita yung
Let's
swimming.
go! Si Mati ay sleeping pa.
Kita ang swimming pool, oh.
Opo. Sinisilip nga kita dyan kagabi. Sabi ko, saan si Kuya Magmaw? Swimming po ba si Kuya? Morning! Let's go down na.
What's this?
Ay, yung map yan. Tayo.
Map yan ng
Saan tayo?
floor natin.
Saan tayo?
Ito, may
What's that? Iya, good morning!
I was down in a town in LA, trying to override what I couldn't erase. But you always come back, you know it comes natural. Must be something I could do now, say your name. 'Cause I only miss you when you are gone. I'll do move on. I always tell myself it's time for someone new. Then I see your face again, oh no, I see your face again. I saw a silhouette and wish that it was you. Hope that I see your face again, oh no, I see your face again.
Our breakfast for today. Bread pudding. Sarap to dito, guys.
Good morning, guys! Morning, sleepy baby! Hi, guys!
Sarap na sarap sa taho. Oh. Sarap. Yummy yan, Nat.
Our favorite coffee, Harlan. Sea salt latte for Jamie. De Rosas.
Oh, Jamie ah. Jamie Edo Rosas oh. Harlan ulit.
Jollibee for lunch!
Jollibee, mali! Kabasa ko.
Jollibee for lunch! Jolly hi!
Jollibee, Bida!
Hindi! Jollibee!
Jollibee daw!
Jollibee!
Opo.
Punta kami sa gym. Healthy nga yan.
Hello! Day 2 here in Bellevue and magsiswimming na kami. Kanina, nag-buffet breakfast tayo and then tambay muna sa room dahil mainit sa swimming pool. Kaya, chika-chika lang dito sa room. And then ngayon, it's already 4 o'clock and magsiswimming na tayo sa pool area. So, let's go! Wow! Yan na, Lia! Bili tayo ice cream for the kids. 100 pag naka-cup, tapos 115 pag naka-cone.
Ano nga, ube?
Wow!
Sir, ano flavor
Ay,
sa'yo, Matt?
pwede pong pahingi rin ng cup.
Vanilla na lang. Bumili tayo ulit nachos, mozzarella, fries, and pizza.
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wonder what the lover. You give me feels when you do, no one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer, you're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels when you do, no one can do it like you.
Good morning! Di na kami nakapag-vlog kagabi kasi napagod na. So ngayon, kakain na tayo. Let's go!
What do you want? Kakainin mo Ay, ito na lang meron, kuya. Croissant. And then, okay. Pwede mo lagyan ng chocolate if you want. Or honey. Doon yung may masarap na bread. Toasted bread. Lika, patikim ko sa'yo. French toast tawag dito, kuya. And, lalagay ka nito. Oh, kuya. Tikman mo. Okay, tikman mo. Yummy yan. Oh, di ba? Sarap?
Ano na to? Matagal na ako dito dati.
Opo, di ba? Sarap, di ba? Hold it for pretty. And then open. Good job.
Taho!
Ito ka mag-want bread natin.
Ay, this one ko banana bread, oh, you want? Init din natin. Masarap pag init din.
So tagal. Ito yun na yun na yun.
Okay. Ako na kuya nga kasi hot. Hot. Super hot. Super hot.
I was down in a ton of LA, trying to override what I couldn't erase. Must be something I could do, now say your name. 'Cause I only miss you when you are gone. How to move on? I always tell myself it's time for someone new. Then I see your face again, oh no, I see your face again. I saw a silhouette and wish that it was you. Hope that I see your face again, oh no, I see your face again. I see your face again. I see your face again.